Do you know what a connector is? Well, in today's video, you are going to find some advanced connectors that we use in English. So don't go anywhere. So what is a connector? Well, obviously it connects things. In English writing, usually, we use them to connect words, sentences, phrases, or ideas. When you want to express a relationship between ideas, you can use some connectors. If you're going to be writing your IELTS exam or your TOEFL exam, we use connectors to express more maturity or sophistication, which the testers are looking for. And we also use connectors when speaking to add clarity and understanding to our ideas. So try these advanced connectors the next time you're writing an English piece.
The first group of words are furthermore, in addition to, and moreover. These are all very similar in that we use them to introduce a fresh consideration to an argument. Smoking is bad for your health. Furthermore, it costs lots of money. Smoking is bad for your health, in addition to costing lots of money. Smoking is bad for your health. Moreover, it costs lots of money. The next group of words are accordingly, as a result, therefore, consequently, or thus. This is when it's a result, a consequence, an effect, or an outcome. I broke my finger at work. Accordingly, I can't play on Saturday. As a result of my injury, I can't play in the game this weekend. I hurt my foot, and therefore I can't play. I hurt my foot, and consequently, I can't play. I hurt my foot, and thus I can't play. Our next group is, however, nevertheless, and regardless. This is when we're contrasting or contradicting whatever was said before. People tend to gain weight as they get older. However, it's not inevitable. People tend to gain weight when they're older. Nevertheless, it's not inevitable. People tend to gain weight. Regardless, it's not inevitable. That's it for the groups of words. Now we just have single words. The first one is likewise. Likewise is when we're talking about something that's the same. I have many friends at school. Likewise, I have a lot online. Above all, this means more than anything else. The president was a great man. He was concerned above all to speak the truth. In essence, this means basically or fundamentally. This job may sound complicated, but in essence, it's simple. In other words, a different way to say things. Technology helps us with so many things these days. In other words, it's indispensable. In particular, this means especially. People's lives seem to be controlled by technology, in particular, the smartphone. Ideally, this means preferable. You should exercise every day, ideally 30 minutes, in spite of. This means without being affected by a fact mentioned before. He was cold in spite of being well dressed for the weather.
So how many of those connectors have you used before? Down in the comments, let me know what you think about using connectors when writing in English. As always, hit that like button and subscribe to keep receiving English videos to help you learn. For ESL Success, I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time.